Hello class 12. Today I am going to start with this chapter, that is chapter number 14, biotechnology and its application, under the topic transgenic organism. Okay, there are two type of organism, as you know, plant and animals. Now biotechnology application in the field of agriculture first. Okay, in previous video we studied about the transgenic plant. Now today I am going to start with biotechnological application in agriculture. Okay, biotechnology application in agriculture. Okay, in agriculture. First of all, to feed the increasing population of the world, we need to enhance our food production. This can be done by the applying first factor, that is agrochemical based agriculture. Agrochemical based agriculture. Okay, and the second one, that is organic agriculture. Organic agriculture. Agriculture. And third one, that is genetically engineered crop based agriculture. Okay, crop based agriculture. Understand it? Okay, this is done by the applying the following three options, that is agrochemical based agriculture, organic agriculture, and genetically engineering crop based agriculture. Most of the agrochemical, first one, most of the agrochemical have harmful effect on the environment. Therefore, the best solution is to develop the use of genetically modified crops like GM crops. GM crop, genetically modified crops. Okay. Now next one, GM crops are useful in many ways. Genetically modification has been done by the following changes. The phenotypic expression of the plant. Okay, अगर आपको genetically modified किसी plant को करना है तो आपको genetically modification has done the following changes to the phenotypic expression of the plant. The first one, that is crop become more tolerant. ठीक है, more tolerant to abiotic stress such as cold, drought, salt, heat, etc. Okay, more tolerant. And the second one, that is dependence on chemical pesticide is reduced. Okay, dependence upon the pesticides is reduced. And third one means pest resistant crop. And third one, that is post harvest losses are reduced. Harvest losses reduced. Okay, and fourth one, that is efficiency to mineral uses increased in plant, like preventing the loss of soil fertility. Okay, preventing the loss of soil fertility. And fifth one, that is nutritional value of food is enhanced, like vitamin A enriched rice, यानी कि value of food, nutritional value enhanced. Nutritional value enhanced. And the sixth one, that is tailor-made plants are created by using GM plant to supply alternative resources to industries in the form of starches, fuel, and pharmaceuticals, like tailor-made plant. टेलर मेड मतलब जैसे हम कपड़े अपने फिटिंग के हिसाब से सिलवाते हैं, उसी तरह जो प्लांट होंगे वो इन्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से टेलर्ड होंगे. ओके, टेलर मेड प्लांट्स. Now here first one, genetically modified crops are useful in many ways. Genetic modification has done in the following changes to the phenotypic expression of the plant. First one, crop become more tolerant to abiotic stress such as cold, drought, salt, heat, etc. Dependence on chemical pesticide is reduced, means pest resistant crop. Third one, post harvest losses are reduced. And fourth one, that is efficiency of mineral use is increased in plant, means preventing loss of soil fertility. And fifth one, that is nutritional value of the food is enhanced, like vitamin A increased rise. And sixth one, tailor made plants are created by the GM plants to supply alternative resources to industries in the form of starches, fuel and pharmaceutical. Now next one, production of transgenic crops tolerant to abiotic stress. Abiotic stress, like plant are capable to tolerate heat, okay, soil alkalinity, pH, इस पे क्या करेगा, resistant रहेगा, drought, transgenic crops tolerant to abiotic stresses. Abiotic stresses. Now first one, abiotic stresses adversely affect the growth, productivity and trigger a series of morphological, physiological and biochemical and molecular changes in plant. Crops are made resistant to various abiotic stresses with the help of biotechnology. Some of the resistant crops, like first one, cold resistant crops. Resistant crops. Okay. New strategies are developed that can be used to develop transgenic crop plant with improved tolerance to cold stress. Mechanisms such as adjustment of lipid composition. Okay, सबसे पहले क्या होगा, lipid composition. Accumulation of the protective sugar has helped membrane to stabilize against the freezing injury. Okay, freezing injury. And genetically engineered tobacco has shown the considerable decrease in the chilling sensitivity. Okay, understand it. And now new strategies are developed that can be used to develop the transgenic crop plants with improved tolerance to cold stress. Mechanisms such as adjustment of lipid composition, accumulation of protective sugars has helped membranes to stabilize against the freezing injury. And genetically engineered tobacco has shown considerable decrease in chilling sensitivity. Now next one, salt resistant crop. First one is a cold resistant and the second one is salt resistant. Salt resistant crops. Okay. Now the development of the salt tolerant crops by genetic engineering have focused on the strategies. First one, increasing the plant ability to limit the uptake of salt ion. ठीक है, uptake of salt ion. First one, increasing the plant ability to limit the uptake of salt ion from soil. And the second one, that is increasing the active extrusion rate of salt ion. Active extrusion rate of salt ion. And the third one, improving the compartmentalization of salt ions in the cell vacuole where they do not affect the cellular functions. Okay, now next one, that is drought resistant crops. First one, no, third one, this is third. First one is cold, second is salt and third one is drought resistant. Crops. The plant hormone like ABA regulates the plant like ABA regulates the plant adaptive response to environmental stresses such as drought, salinity. Transgenic Arabidopsis plant constitute overexpressing the xanthine expodices gene, ATJDP, like the plant name is Arabidopsis plant. ठीक है, ओवर एक्सप्रेसिंग क्या है, ओवर एक्सप्रेस करता है xanthine oxidase gene, that is called ATGEP, okay, which encodes an enzyme required for the initial step in the ABA synthesis, showed increased tolerance to drought. ठीक है, ABA हार्मोन.